Where are the Mudster's headlights? Well, they're in the garage. Let's have a look at the old lady's new headlights. The 240, not, you know. I think I've got some explaining to do. About 2 months ago, Sledge from Involvo'd, shout out, going on Sledge, said on his channel that I would be putting some E-codes on my red 245.
He actually has a red wagon. Now the lights from this car are going to go onto his wagon, and unlike me, he's got no plans to get rid of his wagon.
That was the intention anyway. Car in question is back there. So that's the one. Can we zoom? Well, we can't zoom in this mode. Anyway, it's back there. Sledge took the Mudster apart and he sold me the E-codes out of that car. So I was gonna have a lovely set of E-codes that were the original Volvo E-codes instead of buying the kind of dodgy Skandix reproduction headlights. They look good still. There's a lot of fitment issues that are kind of weird. You know, dumb things like this is the plastic, the brand new trim that comes with the Skandix stuff. How are you gonna send me plastic that's all wavy like that? You know? So I just took the old ones off the old lady's headlights and threw them on there. So those are the FCP Euro E-codes. They're pricey. They're really pricey, like $400. But man, do they look good. It makes the car look brand spanking new. And the old lady and I were talking about it, and we think because of the design of the E-code headlight, it makes it makes the grill like squish a little bit, just a little. And it's just overall, it just man, you can't beat it. So, where are the Mudster's headlights? Well, they're in the garage. They showed up. Here's one of them. Sledge and I worked it out so that we even got all brand new seals and everything for them. They were going to go together and be perfect for throwing in the car. But unfortunately, through shipping, the tabs that hold the corner light broke off. So even the clip that holds the corner light in, tabs that hold it on. The worst part about it, one of the glass headlight lenses cracked. And this one broke the housing, which is really unfortunate. I do have footage of receiving these from the USPS lady, and we were excited about, you know, doing something cool with our 240.
Here y'all go.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love y'all shirts, Dina Machine.
Yeah,
You fix on all kind of cars?
yeah, you want
My husband, I was like, people were like, is that an actual horse? I don't know.
Okay, honey, what happened?
You got your package.
Well, we got our packages. Huh? Huh?
Are we gonna open them?
We're gonna open them right now. Grab your package. I'm not talking about me.
Which side? You want both of them up there?
Oh yeah. Box number one. This box is from Berlin, Germany. From a fellow YouTuber named Involvo'd. So if you, many of you are from Sledge's channel, and you know that he had the Mudster, which the headlights are gorgeous on the thing. I can make sure this is in the shot. Sledge bought a cheap 245, and it turned out to be a bigger problem than he anticipated. The motor was shot on it. Named it the Mudster because the coolant was mixing with the oil. And I asked him if he would kindly send them. Ah, they're broken.
Are they?
They're broken.
Ooh. Let me see.
They are broken.
Rip.
Yeah. So it does look like they got broke in shipping now. Unfortunate. But That sucks. Yeah, it takes a lot to break them. At least we got the rebuild kits. So unfortunately, that means these are worthless.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't do anything with them. Anyway, so I guess that's that. Dearest Dean of Machines, from my brick to yours. All the best, Involvo'd. The first time I've handwritten this, it'll be worth money someday. This is, I'll throw this up on eBay. $4,000 if you want this. Involvo'd's written name. There we go.
You're selling yourself short.
$4,000. I'm willing to give people a deal. Willing to give a deal. And I know that I said it before. Many of you came from Involvo'd's channel looking for me to put these headlights on that car. And I am so bummed that I can't do it. We were going to do a comparison between original components and, of course, SCP Euro stuff, because there is a quality difference. And I think the quality differences, those differences are very important to point out. For you guys, or maybe somebody from Skandix who's involved with the manufacturing process, maybe to correct some of the issues. So unfortunately, we're not going to have any E-codes for the Red 245, which is okay. You know, the Red 245 has kind of been overshadowed by the Amazon, which you're currently sitting on the Amazon. You know, it's, for whatever reason, I've got 2 FDs in the driveway, and I parked the Amazon that sat outside for 35 years in the garage. Also, we've got the TDI swap Jeepster over there, which at some point I'm gonna get to it. Okay, leave a guy alone. I know. Yeah, it sucks. You know, Sledge and I talked about it. We sorted it out, so there's no bad blood there. We're still buddies, and it's not an issue. But you know, here we are. If you got a cheap set of E-codes you want to throw my way, donate to the channel, cool, let me know. Unfortunately, insurance isn't going to cover the cost of the E-codes because they are rather expensive, and of course the point was to do a comparison between the original stuff and the brand new Skandix stuff. So it is what it is. I'll have to put in an order for the Red 245 so it can have its own set of E-codes. I just don't feel like spending $400 on that right now. As you know, this channel is all personally funded by me, sponsored by these 2 goddamn hands. Thank you very much. I do work a full-time job, 60 hours a week sometimes. Sometimes it's 35 hours a week if I can get away with it. All the work is done by me. Everything is filmed by me. Editing is done by me. I handle all the social media stuff. Occasionally I get the old lady to hold a camera once in a while. Sometimes not. Consider going over to Patreon, maybe becoming a patron if you would. $2 a month. It's cool. Chucks a little bit in the pot towards buying parts for all of these cars. So, any questions, you know, feel free to drop it down in the comments. If you want to say hi to Sledge, you know, go drop a comment, say hey Sledge, tag Sledge, whatever you want to do. He's going to see this video before anybody else does, because I want to make sure he's cool with it. And if you see this video, then you know he's cool with it. So, anyway, let's see what's in the big box. Let her rip, Tater Chip.
You want me to open it? I said, I've been waiting since Thursday to open this box.
It's okay.
Are you excited for me?
I am very excited for you. What?
Another box.
Another box. More boxes.
More boxes.
These should be your lights. Huh?
Ooh, they sent me bolts.
Huh? Those look good.
I can't.
Real headlights.
I can't wait to get rid of the
Plastic.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate, but it's the nature of shipping things overseas, shipping things anywhere. Dang, that looks good. if anyone was ever considering E-codes from FCP Euro, I do recommend it. They do fit a little funny, but man, do they look good. Like I said, this is the FCP Euro kit. It does come with brand new Euro style corner lights. You got your E-code glass headlights, which are super nice. Man, they look so good. And it comes with some wiring instructions, which are pretty basic. It's not worth me making a whole video about how to take your headlight out, put your headlight back in, because it's 3 bolts here, 4 bolts there. You take it out, corner light comes out with it, still attached to the headlight, and then you put it back in, and then put it back in, and you're done. You watch this channel, you know how to turn a wrench. And if you watch this channel and don't know how to turn a wrench, well then, grab a wrench, and throw it at the car. I mean, don't throw it at the car, I'm just kidding. Just take the wrench, do the thing, put the thing on the hing, it goes rink, rink, and you go rink, rink, and then it's fixed. So, fixed, no problems. Good luck working on your car. Now, I'm not going to leave you hanging. Wiring is pretty simple. We'll show you on this side. Take this pigtail, and you take this guy here, and you cut this end off. And you're going to have a black, a blue, and a red wire. And you put blue to white, black to black, red to red, and then everything's going to work fine, and you don't have to worry about anything for the rest of your life. Also, put your ground back. I gotta get that ground back under here. So, it gets a little tricky. This has to get undone, flop it out. This you pop out. These are always loose in every 240. And then you're good to go. Someday we might fix that little guy. That's a little trick for those of you who have a broken kickdown cable. You pull the cable out about halfway and put some vice grips on it. That's only been like that about a year. Anyway. How's it look? We don't have turn signals. Which, oops. When you get these, they send you these cheap plugs. I just ditched them. They give you about this much wiring to work with on that corner. So it's kind of a pain to get up in there. But overall, fitment's good, light's good. Things are more bright in my well-lit garage. Look at the difference. That's incredible. That's amazing. How much better do you think this is than the stock headlights?
Like a million times.
A million times?
Yeah, if you can measure that.
That's pretty good. Alrighty. Man, well that's going to be it for me. I think the old lady's got food waiting for me upstairs and I'm about 20 minutes late. So, sorry honey. I fixed your car though, right? That helps. Anyway, yeah, E-codes are on the old lady's 245. Looking good. Turn signals don't work, so I have something messed up somewhere. So I'll be digging into that in another episode on how to fix your turn signals that were working before you fixed your car. Yeah, so go ahead, hit up Involvo'd on YouTube, check them out. Give a subscribe, leave a comment, say Dane sent you. We hit 800 subscribers today, which is awesome. I officially got my first bit of fan mail. So thank you, Charlie Schwartz. I got the license plate. He said go ahead, throw it on up on the license plate wall we have going on over here. These are all just license plates that I've randomly acquired over the last 15 years or so. 20 years? Man, it's been a long time. I'm getting old. Lucky you can see some of my gray. Anyway, thank you, Charlie. Appreciate it. When I get a chance, I'll find a space on the wall and make it fit. So, thank you everyone for checking me out. Go ahead, slap a like, give a subscribe, and how about you go in your garage and you fix something, huh? Have a good night.